Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if a comment is not showing in the YouTube app. So the problem may be of three types. The first may be if a comment is not showing on your YouTube video, and the second is if you cannot see your comments on any other YouTube video, and the third is it's not about your comment only, you cannot see a comment on YouTube generally. Okay, so we will see how we can fix all these three problems. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. If you are a content creator and you cannot see a comment under your YouTube video, then to fix it you just have to go to your YouTube studio, and after that just click settings, and from here select the channel and go to advanced setting, and make sure that if your channel is not about kids, then you don't have to check this box. This may solve your problem because according to a recent YouTube update, the comments will not appear if your channel is made for kids. Okay, and the second thing you may do is you can just go to this upload default, and from this advanced setting make sure that you have not checked these options. Like if you have checked the disable comments or hold all comments for review, then your comments will not appear. And you can also go to this community, and from here you can also check. Okay, and the third thing is, let's say you got a comment in your notification and you click on that after some times, but you cannot see that comment under your YouTube video. Okay, so this may happen because a user may have decided to delete his comment. So due to this, although you have got a notification about a comment in your notification bar, but when you will check on your YouTube video, then you cannot find that comment. Okay, now let's talk about other case. Let's see that you have done a comment on any YouTube video, and when you check on the comment section, then you cannot find your comment under that video. Okay, this may happen because there is a possibility that the video uploader has set the comment settings as hold all comments for review. So unless he will approve your comment, it won't appear under that video. So you can't do anything about that. You can just wait until the video uploader approves your comment. And the third case is it's not about your comment. Let's say you cannot find any other people's comment under a YouTube video. Then check if you have turned on the restricted mode on your YouTube app. So just go to your YouTube app and make sure that you are already signed into your YouTube account. And here just go to settings and click on this general. And here check if the restricted mode is on here, and if the restricted mode is on from here, then most of the comments may not appear for you. And if the problem still exists, then you can just do it several times. Like you can just on and off the restricted mode several times, and this will solve your problem. Okay, and finally, if you still can't see comments on the YouTube app, then you can just uninstall your YouTube app and you can just install it again. So I hope these settings will solve your problems, and if you still have any confusion or doubts, then you can just share in the comment section. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.